欢迎来到汉语常用口语。Welcome to Chinese Daily Expressions. The expression we are going to learn today is 吹牛。你在吹牛，别吹牛了。吹 means to blow. For examples, 吹泡泡 to blow bubbles. 吹笛子 play the flute. 吹蜡烛 to blow out the candles. 牛 is the general name for bovine animals. No matter it is a cow, bull, ox, or buffalo, they are all 牛. 吹牛 literally means to blow the cows or bulls, but the practical meaning is to talk big, to boast, to brag. So if you want to say don't brag, don't talk big, you can say 别吹牛了，别吹牛了. Or you can just say 别吹了. 吹 here is the short form of 吹牛. 别吹了, don't brag. If you want to say don't listen to his bragging, you can say 别听他吹牛了，别听他吹牛了. If someone is really good at bragging, you can say 你太会吹牛了，你太会吹牛了. Or 你太能吹了，你太能吹了. 会 means to have the skills to do something, and 能 means have the ability to do something. 你太会吹了，你太能吹了. You are really good at bragging. 他说他昨天钓了一条30公斤的大鱼。他太能吹了，那只是一条很小很小的鱼。He said he fished up a big fish. It's 30 kilograms. He's really good at bragging. It's only a very, very small fish. 他说他昨天钓了一条30公斤的大鱼。他太能吹了，那只是一条很小很小的鱼。